Hi everyone, so in this screencast I'm going to be showing you how to create a bibliography from one of the PDFs that you would have saved in your library, so in Zotero. So what you do is after you save the article or whatever as a PDF, you go in here and you select which one you want, and then I've already saved these two, so you go and click on it and then you create, and then you can click whichever one you want. I'm going to be saving it in APA. You click OK. Untitled. Since it's my third one, I'm going to hit 3. And then I'm going to go down here to Finder. And then here I have my first one, my second one, and my third one. So I can access all of these right here very easily, and they're all at reach. So that's how you get to all of those, and then you can also click on them and edit them if you need to add anything else. So yeah, it's all pretty easy and right there. So thank you.